Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Katie Suniga.
Good evening, Central Oregon. Here we are on another day where we're seeing activity, just a different kind of activity. We've had watches and warnings and thunderstorms and all kinds of stuff happening. Now we're shifting our focus to the smoke. You can see we're mostly clear through Central Oregon, but we do have some hazy skies outside, and that has a lot to do with this smoke. Here's where we see the potential behavior of the smoke clearing out the early hours of the morning, but then potentially coming back a little bit more. Really, this is going to depend a lot on how those firefighting efforts go. With this, where that smoke is blowing out of the northwest, which matches our breezes right now, we are seeing some dangerous, unhealthy levels is what we're looking at. Unhealthy in the Crooked River Ranch area. We're in unhealthy for sensitive groups in east of Madras, as well as around Prineville, unhealthy for sensitive groups. So we'll keep an eye on those air quality levels for you. Just know those are changing, and we're seeing unhealthy levels right now while the smoke is happening. With our winds, we should see anywhere from about 15 to 20 miles per hour out of the northwest, and this is where you saw the same direction our smoke is blowing. As we get into the evening, we could see some gusts tonight up to 30. Tomorrow, back off just a little bit in the morning, about 10 to 15 miles per hour. It'll pick up again, though, in the evening, looking at 15 to 20 and then 25 miles per hour for the gusts. All of our winds coming out of the northwest. Now let's talk about temperatures. Here's where we landed today in the state, a little bit cooler than yesterday. Continuing that trend for us into tomorrow, a little bit cooler temperatures as well, maybe just getting in the 80s here in Central Oregon. So here's where we are right now, ranging from 82 in La Pine to 94 in Warm Springs. Tonight, we stay on the warm side because we are above average, just a little bit cooler than we were last night. Tomorrow, continuing that trend, just a gradual cool down, a couple degrees at a time, mostly the 80s, ranging from 80 in Sun River and Sisters to 87 in Warm Springs and the Redmond area. This change for us is happening because we're watching this high pressure center move to the southeast a little bit on Thursday, then it shifts a little to the west on Friday, but really we're staying right about the same area, just gradual changes in those temperatures. With our sky, we're looking at the clouds now. A few clouds roll through overnight tonight, but they clear out, and then we stay mostly clear. You will see some activity along the Cascades and the west side of the Cascades. We are not looking currently at any chance for any rain in our near future. You see there it stops at the Cascades, maybe a little bit on the east side. For our extended forecast, you'll see we drop to average on Friday, then we get into those low 80s on Saturday. By Sunday, we're back into the 90s, but that does not last long. So you see we cool off and we average out through Tuesday and a Wednesday.